Good morning. It's about 11 o'clock. I went to sleep last night about 10:30 and got up this morning about 10:30. So we are back. We are so back. And this morning we're going to have traditional Scottish porridge, and I'm going to show you how it is to make it. Here's a spurtle. I spoke about it yesterday. I wasn't lying. There we go. Oats in the pan. How much do you have? Today I'm going on a big hike, so I'm going to have quite a lot. But the quantities are always there. You can find out. Scottish jumbo oats, only the best. And then water. You can use milk, but then you wouldn't have anything to rest your tripod on. And it's not traditional. So we're just going to have the very, very basic oats and water. Put the gas on. There's the gas, you can hear it. Oof. Okay, you don't want it on too hot. You don't want it, because you want to stir it and have it going quite slowly. So just, medium flame. Yeah, then I can stir and enjoy it. And yeah, with the oats and the liquid, you want the oats to be kind of bathing in something. You don't want them to be drowning in water or milk, whatever you're going to use. But equally, you want to be able to have them swimming around and not kind of just a stodgy mess. And also, you want to cook with some care, because that's all right. I'll clean that up later. Cav, I will clean that up later. Okay, we're fine. So this is going well. I just haven't used this before, but thank you. This is Simon's stove, so thank you to him. And yeah, what do we have here? We've got Mornflakes, Mighty Oats. I want to talk a bit about porridge, because it's a fantastic meal in itself. This bag, £1.50. Well, how much? I think it's 1.5 kilograms. 1.5 kilograms of oats. £1.50. That would take you, if you're going to have, 30 servings. I think you have a whole month of breakfast with this. And then water, of course, is free from the tap. But look, normally I'd have it with milk, because it's nicer, of course. But porridge, why do I love porridge, and why is it the Scots dish? It's cheap. But it's incredibly nutritious. If you eat it in the morning, it's going to fill you up all day, and you can do anything. You can go on a long hike, you can cycle, you can just do your work or whatever you're doing. And you might get peckish in the afternoon, sure, but you can definitely get through to dinner. It's also tasty. And look, I'm just going to make the basic version now, like I said, just water and oats. But yeah, look, you can make it with milk. You can add cream at the end if you're feeling especially decadent. You can add, especially in the Scottish summer, get your strawberries, get your raspberries in there, your nuts, fruits. You can put almost anything, porridge will take it, and it won't be offended, and it will still be there at the base doing its job of just providing energy for the day. It's got a nice texture, it's satisfying to eat. But yeah, it is the perfect meal in terms of all characters. Yeah, it's not as nice as you might want a croissant, however you say that, or you might want, the couple here cooking before me, they were from Germany. Naturally, I asked them, where are you from in Germany? They said, oh, the middle of Germany. Where? Oh, Bielefeld. Doesn't exist. Doesn't exist, I said. I love having this random different nationality banter. All the Germans say Bielefeld doesn't exist. And a few countries have this thing. But in Britain, we don't have the same thing. So we need to find a region that doesn't exist. I think London. That would be nice. But here we go. I've had it on two faster flames. So the porridge now is cooked. I'm going to take it off. It's going to start sticking and drying. There we go. But we have our watery porridge. And now, got my bowl here. So what you should be seeing is a nice smooth kind of, this should be coming out. It's a bit gloopy. But I don't care. It's going to go in my belly. I'm going to hike to this waterfall. I think the lady said it's going to take all day, 6 or 7 hours. This will see me through. I've only got cheese in my bag, so I'm going to have to eat it like a rat up on the mountain. But yeah, oh wait, salt. Simon also provided me in his infinite generosity with some salt. I think this is sugar and salt, so I need to be careful. That must be the salt. Is this still going? There we go. Just there's nothing coming out of this. Simon, you need to clean your shaker. Okay, that's salt. So, pinch of salt. You're obviously not going to put too much on because it wouldn't be good. But yeah, this is it. It's traditional Scottish porridge, and in my humble opinion, the best meal in the world. No, it really is. It's really good. I always make it with milk, and I add honey, peanut butter, a bit of yogurt, everything. But this is good. I might keep doing this. This is good. All right, so day 4, and the sun is coming out now. So there we go. You do things right. You make your porridge, and the Scottish gods they immediately respond. So I actually have to. The lady said you have to be awake for 12, and she wasn't joking about that. So I'm going to go and quickly disassemble my tent, eat this. I might make some coffee. But anyway, see you down the valley, down the glen.
This is Sublime! This is Sublime! This is nature! This is the Sublime! It's not just the raw, it's the rock. This is the earth naked. She's hard, she's strong, she's solid. She's amazing just to look at this. This is what the earth is made of. And looking down the valley, you have this beautiful V shape carved out over millions, billions of years with really very delicate trees clinging to the side. They are a beautiful shade of green, and it's hard not to love this country. When you can come to places like this, the hike is only a few hours. I was completely alone all the time, and it's the air is fresh. It's quiet, except here. It's so beautiful.
I think I got carried away this morning. Porridge is not the best meal in the world. It's the best value for money meal in the world. I'll stand by that one. But now it's time for lunch. I've got oatcakes here, which are like portable porridge, and I've put on some lovely Isle of Skye sea salt butter. And Skye's been famous for salt actually, but as you can imagine, weather conditions there, it's quite cloudy, it's not very warm, it's always quite difficult to extract the salt. So now they can do it with polytunnels, but I guess you could really say that the Skye really was the limit in that case. Anyway, look at this. This is venison salami, and it's venison which has been shot here in the Highlands because deer are doing really well. The deer population is exploding, as you saw, and I heard on the radio when I was driving up here that actually now in Britain venison is cheaper than beef, so you see it on the menu a lot, and it's a really tasty meat, so it's a good thing. But to finally finish this this nice little meal, I've got the cheese that I got from Mull the other day, and this is eating local, absolutely local. I think even the oats are Scottish. So I can't tell you really the pleasure of being here and eating. It's not 0 kilometre, but it's let's say within 100 miles, and it's from the earth, it's from the Highlands, it is Scottish food going into my mouth. And it's delicious. I'm not struggling here. I'm not just trying to eke out my diet, trying to find stuff to eat here. I could survive on this. I could live on this. This is really good stuff. So, the pleasure of being here in this environment and having this landscape. I'm in complete solitude. I've not seen anyone, and even the weather. Maybe in Scotland we complain about the weather sometimes, but if it were not the case, it wouldn't be so green. And also, I've hiked in places which have wall-to-wall sunshine, blue sky, and yeah, they're beautiful places. But the atmosphere of the mist, the cloud, the wind, the changing conditions, that really makes the Highlands something different, something special, because you feel also a bit more in the elements. So, all in all, this is my first time actually really going into the Highlands and really going into it, and I can't believe I left it so long, but I'm going to come again very soon, and I've still got a lot more to see. So this is lunch. I'm going to hike back down now, take a couple hours, and then we'll be on the road to Skye, which is going to be beautiful as well, so can't complain about anything. Oh, that was a bonny hike. Now Skye, so it should be a very nice drive to Skye. I'll get in there in an hour or so, and I think I need to take an early night to make the most of Skye. I only got one day, and I think it will be quite popular and quite crowded. So if I get up earlier, I can go to these places and maybe just see them with fewer people around. But yeah, at this moment, I think I need to recharge my devices, recharge myself, and get my notes in order actually as well. I've got some planning to do in it for the next few days. So, but what a privilege to go up there. That was beautiful. That was bonny hike, quite hard. It's quite good, and yeah, just enjoying now. About halfway point in this journey.